Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about the difference between giveaway line and a stop line, and also the difference between open junction and a closed junction. Many learners, they fail the test because they don't deal with the giveaway line the way they should, and also they don't stop on a stop line, and also they don't understand the difference between open and closed junction. Okay, now on the video on turning left and turning right, or T junctions, emerging left and emerging right, if you haven't seen those videos where I have explained those on a greater details on a bigger lesson, if you want to see those videos, it's on the description below. I leave a link for you to have a look. But in this video, I'm just going to briefly explain to you the difference between giveaway line, stop line, and also what is open junction and what is a closed junction. Now, firstly, let's talk about what is a giveaway line. Now, what is a giveaway line? Giveaway line is when you have a road where you have a road and this is a giveaway line at the end of it. Or it could be crossroad, but you have a giveaway line. What is a giveaway line? Is double broken white lines. Double broken white lines at the end or on a crossroad. Okay, what does that mean? It means you give way cars on the main road. So when you entering this road from this road, you give way who's coming on this road. That's what it's saying to you. What if there's no one coming? What do you do? What if you stop if there's no one coming? That's what the problem is for many learners. They don't look early and they go and stop anyway, and there's no one coming and they stop anyway. You will fail your test for that. Remember, the giveaway line is telling you stop and give way if there are cars on the road. If there's no cars on the road, you shouldn't stop. That's what the giveaway line is telling you. That's the difference. Giveaway line means you stop if there are cars coming. If there's no one coming, you should be going. Why? Because that's what the giveaway line is telling you to do. It's not telling you to stop every time. It's not telling you to stop if there's no one coming. That's what the difference. Many learners, they don't look early and they go and stop anyway, and there's no one coming and they stop. So on a giveaway line, if there are cars coming on the main road and you don't stop, you will fail your test. Also, as you approach and you don't look early and there's no cars coming at all, you go and stop anyway, you will fail your test, because on a giveaway line, you shouldn't stop if there's no one coming. Do you understand that? This is important. Many learners, they don't understand that. Giveaway line means stop if there are cars coming. If there's no cars coming, you should be going. So you look early, no cars coming, you should be going. And this is important for you to know as a learner, especially for the test. Cars coming, stop. No cars coming, and you are 100% sure it's clear, you should be going. Don't stop. Okay, now what is a stop line? Stop line is when you have one solid line at the end. Okay, so one solid line at the end. What does it mean? It means full stop. By law, you have to stop on a stop line. This is why it's there. Now, you don't get many stop lines. You only get stop lines when the road is danger if you don't stop. So if you don't stop on a stop line, it is dangerous because they put the stop line on a road where it could be dangerous unless you stop. So for example, stop line, there could be a problem here. Maybe the view is restricted, or maybe there's a bend here. And unless you stop fully, you don't really know who's coming, or you don't really know what's happening in that road unless you stop. Okay, so if it's a stop line, by law, you have to stop. And if you don't in the test, you will fail your test for not stopping. Okay, so it's not about, oh, I know the junction, I go there every day, and then what comes at that time, I could just creep and go. No, you have to stop fully, full stop, and then look if it's safe, and then you go. Okay, so the difference between a stop line and a giveaway line. Giveaway line means you look early. Someone comes, you stop. No one coming, don't stop, you should go. Stop line means you have no choice but to stop, then see if it's safe, then you go. Does it make sense? And this is important. Make sure you know this in the test. Now, what is open junction and a closed junction? Now, when we talk about open and closed junction, we are talking about on a giveaway line. Okay, so you have a giveaway line. Okay, so we know what giveaway line means. Giveaway line means someone comes, stop, no one coming, you don't have to stop, or you shouldn't stop, you should go. So what is open and closed junction on a giveaway line? Okay, we're not talking about stop line. Stop line means you stop. Doesn't matter open or close, you stop and then you go. We are talking about giveaway line. What is the difference between open junction and closed junction? Okay, so you are approaching a giveaway line. As you approach, you as a learner or as a driver, the job is for you to look early. So you're here, this is your car. You look early to see who's in the main road. Okay, if you can't see who's coming, if you can't see, that means it's a closed junction. Why? Because maybe this view is restricted here because of houses, or maybe fence, or maybe trees. And because of that, the road is blocked. You can't see who's coming in the main road. That's a closed junction, which means you prepare to stop, go to the end, and then if you think it's clear, you could go. If it's open junction, it means that there's no view here restricted. There's nothing here. And you could see from here clearly if the road is clear or not. So if it's clear, it means it's open junction, which means you could make the decisions early for you to go or not. Because you could see and there's a car coming, you stop. If there's no car coming, don't stop. Okay? So when you're approaching a giveaway line, okay, as you're driving, ask the question. Look ahead and ask the question, can I see who's coming on both sides? And you ask the question, is that an open junction and a closed junction? Okay, if you can't see both sides, has to be both sides. If it's one side you can, the other side you can't, it means it's closed. Both sides needs to be open for the junction to be open. If you think one side is blocked, it means it's a closed junction. Okay, so you look early and you look both sides. If you think I can't see, there's no one coming and it's clear, you should go. If you think I can't see because the view is restricted, it means it's a closed junction, approaching a way for you to stop at the line and then you go. Okay? So I hope this is clear to you. Many learners, they get confused on those things, okay? So just to summarize, giveaway line means you give way on the road that you are entering. If there's someone coming, you stop. If there's no one coming, don't stop, you should be going. Okay? If it's a stop line or stop sign, it means you have to stop. You don't have a choice. So you can't just go and creep and go, meaning you go to the line and you don't stop fully. You're just creeping and you go. You can't do that on a stop line. Stop line means you go to the line, stop fully, and then see if it's safe, and then you go. Okay? Now on a giveaway line, we talked about open and closed junction. What's the difference? Closed junction is the view is restricted on both sides, which means it's a closed junction, meaning approaching a way to stop and then go. Open junction is a junction where you could see early from both sides clearly, the view is clear and you know that, and you can see if the car's coming or not, and you could make the decisions early whether to stop or not, because you could see someone coming, you could stop, and no one coming, you should go. Okay? And that's the difference. I hope this is clear to you. And like I said, there are videos on the channel which explains this giveaway line and a stop line on a greater details, where I talk about the turning left and turning right, emerging left and emerging right on a T-junction. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll leave a link on the description below for you to have a look on those lessons. But this one, I hope the subject we talked about is clear to you. Remember, many learners, they fail the test because they don't know how to deal with giveaway line, stop line, and open and closed junction. Okay, I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and please do make a comment what you think of the video, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.